Today, we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. It is more than just a celebration, it's an opportunity to recognize the tireless efforts teachers put into educating and mentoring students. Now, I would like to call the students of grade 4B for a skit.
How are you all? So today you have to create a Thanksgiving card for someone or something that makes significance in your life. Is that clear? What have you made? I have drawn my favorite doll because it becomes me and never leaves me alone. Good. I have drawn my car because I want to thank it for taking me everywhere I need to go. What have you drawn? I have drawn my mom and I will thank her for everything. Excellent. What have you drawn? I have drawn your favorite teacher because I want to thank you. You always said you can whenever I have challenges. Your two magical words give me strength. Thank you. You're welcome. By the way, good job.
I would like to call the students of grade 5A to recite a poem.
In quiet rooms and bustling halls, you answer countless learning calls. With every chalk-stained fingertip, you guide us through each stumble slip. Your words are balm for restless minds. Your patience rare, the giving kind. Through every test, mistake and scar, you cheer us on to reach the stars. So here's to you, our guiding flame. With love too vast to ever name, you are the reason minds can grow. Dear teacher, more than you may know.
Being a child of teacher can be a unique experience, but sometimes it can be complex. Usually teachers prioritize students over their children. Let's meet a girl whose mother is a teacher and wants to share her experience.
My mom spends 6 hours at school, 2 more grading papers, and 1 hour talking to parents on the call. That's 9 hours. 9 hours being a teacher. And I get maybe 10 minutes with her at school. She tells me she loves her students. She always tells me how smart they are, how funny they are, how much potential they have. And I hear the way her voice lights up when you talk about helping about changing their lives. But Mom, what about me? I sit at the table doing my homework while she's busy in lesson plans. I eat dinner without her. I go to bed while she's still in the glow of that laptop screen. I just wish I could be important too. Now I feel like I have to raise my hand just to get her attention. During the events in the schools, everyone is so excited. Decorations, performances, cards, speeches. When she is called on the stage, she smiles. That calm, sweet smile she always wears. But only I know how tired and worried she was to get all of this done. Nobody knows how late she stayed up last night, making charts, decorating her classroom, and helping students prepare for their parts. Nobody saw her skipping dinner last month because she was helping a struggling child with a speech. Nobody knows that before she became the teacher for the world, she was and still is my whole world. I congratulate you all as you are extremely lucky to have wonderful teachers in your life who thinks about you before themselves and their family. And dear teachers, thank you for being considerate and understanding us, for always believing in our potential. You are truly the backbone of our growth and success. I request you all to give a huge round of applause for our